Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make faux bow. Gather beef bones, onions, ginger, spices, rice noodles, herbs, and protein. Roast and char aromatics for depth. Simmer bones low and slow while skimming foam to keep broth clear and clean. Season gradually with salt and fish sauce, tasting as you go. Prepare noodles and herbs just before serving so textures stay crisp and flavors stay bright. Start by roasting bones high heat if you want deep color, or blanch them for a cleaner broth. Both work well depending on preference. Char onions and ginger until blackened in spots to release aromatic oils that balance sweetness with smoke. Add spices in a spice bag to control intensity and avoid grit in the broth. Simmer low and slow, skimming periodically, until the liquid is clear, silky, and richly flavored. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support more cooking content. Quick recommendation: The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can change how you think about money and keep your pantry budget sane, a nice companion to learning kitchen skills. I find its simple advice handy when planning meal costs and goals. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Prepare noodles per package instructions, rinsing briefly to stop cooking and prevent clumping. Warm them before serving. Arrange thin beef slices on top so hot broth cooks them gently to medium rare or desired doneness. Place herbs, sprouts, and chilies on the side so each diner customizes their bowl. Pour boiling broth over the bowl just before serving to wake flavors, then squeeze lime and add sauces to taste.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.